Everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will be showing you a simple way for applying for the virtual card of Bybit. For that, the process is very easy and simple, and I'm gonna show you in simple steps how to do it properly. So make sure you follow the video till the end. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Once you're on the main page of the Bybit, you will see this menu. So in the menu, you will see more option. Just tap on it. So once you will tap on the more option, you will need to go down, 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 down until you see the finance option. In the finance option, you will see the card option. So once you're in the card option, you will see the Bybit card. So for properly applying, you can watch their video as well because that will help you understand how to do the process properly. But I'm here to share the exact view and how to do it properly. So for example, first thing is all you need to do is to view for the available residency where the card is available right now. For example, only available for user in Argentina, Australia, EEA, which is Europe, and then Brazil. So if you are from these certain areas, all you have to do is to go and apply right here. Select the country where you're from. For example, choose for these four countries. If you are from that side, provide your address, your personal verification, personal identification, and after that, all you have to do is to apply it. So that's how you can do it. I hope you find this video helpful.